Hello everyone, a very good morning to you. Sage here live from Kalkine studio in Sydney. You are watching the early trades. And let's get started with the market open report. The S&P ASX 200 is lower today, dropping 0.85% and setting a new 20-day low. The bottom performing stocks on the ASX and News Corporation down by 10.23% and IDPEducation down by 5.44%. Over the last 5 days, the index has lost 2.76% and 0.90% over the last 52 weeks. And now let's take a look at some of the stocks making a buzz today. In the opening session of the ASX, and Magellan Financial Group gave an update that an agreement has been entered into in respect of the sale of its 11.6% interest in Guzman Y Gomez to a Barrenjoey Capital Partners entity with the intention of seeding an investment trust comprising high net worth investors for cash consideration of $140 million. And Magellan may also be entitled to a further payment of up to $6 million subject to the performance of Guzman Y Gomez and the realisation of the investment by the trust. Completion of the transaction is expected to take place in 2 tranches, occurring in June and July 2022. Magellan expects to record a pre-tax profit on the sale of $34 million in financial year 2022. Spirit Technology Solutions announced it has entered into an agreement for the sale of its fixed wireless infrastructure assets with Melbourne-based Marriott Group for $15 million upfront, plus up to $6 million in earn-out payments over 2 years, subject to revenue targets being achieved. Spirit will retain the business customer relationships and revenues as well as core network assets delivering that revenue, with no impact to Spirit's partners, customers or revenues. Marriott Group will charge Spirit a wholesale last mile services fee to Spirit for connected services. TPG Telecom announced that it has entered into a binding agreement to sell 100% of its passive mobile tower and rooftop infrastructure to OMERS or OMERS Infrastructure Management for an enterprise value of $950 million. The transaction implies an enterprise value or EBITDA multiple of approximately 32.1 times, reflecting the important role the tower assets will play in supporting the projected growth and densification requirements of the industry through 1,237 existing sites, primarily in key metropolitan locations, and a committed build-to-suit development program of 252 new sites. The Star Entertainment Group suspends all domestic and international rebate play programs and reconfirms a commitment to not dealing with junkets while it addresses issues arising from the ongoing review of the Star Sydney being undertaken in accordance with the Casino Control Act 1992 by Mr. Adam Bell. And thank you for joining us on that report, but that is all for now in the early trades. Do stay tuned to Kalkine TV as we have many more shows and expert talks lined up for you, sharing the live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. Sage signing off for now.